Good morning, children. How are you? Welcome to today's math class. I believe you all are enjoyed the online classes, isn't it? Yes, good. Again, we are coming back to our video classes now. So, before moving into our class, let us discuss one moral value. Are you ready? Yes. Children, today's moral value is politeness. Do you know what is meant by politeness? A politeness is nothing but speaking in a soft way with others and behaving well. That is, a polite person will always please others by his polite behavior. He will never speak in a rude way against others. Okay. And being polite and staying calm in many situations brings happiness and peace in one's mind. So children, always speak softly and behave properly, and always use the 3 magic words in your life whenever and wherever necessary. The 3 magic words are please, sorry, and thank you. Okay, children? So children, be polite to your elders, parents, grandparents, teachers, and also with your friends. Okay, always speak good words and positive words and avoid negative words. Okay, got it, children? Yes. Children, in your second standard, you learnt about multiplication, no? Have you remembered what is meant by multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. And also you learned multiplication of 1-digit number with 1-digit number and multiplication of 2-digit numbers with 1-digit number. Have you remembered that? Yes, good. Children, now we are going to learn multiplication in a deep manner. Yes, multiplication is repeated addition. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which the multiplicand is multiplied is called the multiplier. The result or answer of multiplication is called the product. The symbol for multiplication is into. The multiplicand and the multiplier are called factors. For example, 5 is multiplied by 2 gives 10. Here 5 is called the multiplicand, 2 is the multiplier, and 10 is the product. And these 5 and 2 are called factors. So when 5 is multiplied by 2, we will get 10 as the product. Have you recalled all these things now? Yes, good. Next, you have to do the multiplication by using number line. For that, first you have to draw the number line from 0 to 10 or 0 to 20. In the first sum, it is given 2 into 4 equal to what? Here, 2 jumps of 4 is calculated by means of number line. The first jump is from 0 to 4 and the second jump is from 4 to 8. So, we can get 2 into 4 equal to 8. Similarly, in the second problem, 5 into 2 equal to how much? That is 2 jumps of 5 equal to 10. Yes. Here, by using tables, we are going to find out the product. 9 sevens are 63, 8 threes are 24, 7 tens are 70, 6 nines are 54, and 2 sevens are 14. So children, you should learn thoroughly the tables from 2 to 10. Daily you have to learn and write 2 tables, that is 2, 3, 3, 4 like that till 10. Okay children? Yes. Children, next story sum. There are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in 8 weeks? We all know that a week has 7 days. Yes. For this, we have to write the steps first. Okay, children? Yes. First, number of days in 1 week equal to 7 days. Next, number of days in 8 weeks equal to 8 into 7 days. Yes, we are going to calculate the days in 8 weeks. So, by multiplying 7 into 8, we are getting 56 days as the product. So, 8 weeks contain 56 days. 1 week has 7 days. 8 weeks has 56 days. Have you got it, children? Yes, children, learn the tables thoroughly, because to do multiplication calculation, you must know the tables. Okay, learn it thoroughly. Yes. Children, next concept is multiplication fact. It is the repeated addition of the same number which is expressed in the short form. Okay, for example, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 20. That is 5 times 4 equal to 20. That is 5 into 4 equal to 20. We are writing the given form in the basis of multiplication fact and repeated addition. For example, in this table, 6 times 3, 6 plus 6 plus 6 is the repeated addition form, and 6 3s are 18, it's the multiplication fact. Then 8 times 4, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is the repeated addition form, and 8 4s are 32 is the multiplication fact. Then 9 times 5, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 is the repeated addition form, and 9 5s are 45 is the multiplication fact form. Then 10 times 2, 10 plus 10, repeated addition form, and 10 into 2 equal to 20 is the multiplication fact form. And then 3 times 7, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is the repeated addition form, and 3 7s are 21 is the multiplication fact form. So, to write the repeated addition in a short form, we are using the multiplication fact. Children, next, multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number, multiplying without regrouping. For example, multiply 143 by 2. Yes, step 1, multiply 3 ones by 2. So, 2 into 3 ones equal to 6 ones. So, write 6 in ones place. Step 2, multiply 4 tens by 2. That is 2 into 4 tens equal to 8 tens. So, write 8 in tens place. Next step, multiply 100 by 2. That is 2 into 100 equal to 200s. So, the answer is 286. So, we are getting 286 as the product when multiplying 143 by 2. In this way, we are multiplying. Okay, children? Got it? Yes. Children, learn the tables thoroughly. Then only you are able to calculate easily. That is, you are easy to do multiplication and division problems. Okay, children? Yes. Next, when 102 is multiplied by 3, what you have to do? First, multiply 3 into 2. We will get 6. Then 3 into 0 gives 0. Next, 3 into 1 gives 3. So, when 102 is multiplied by 3, we will get 306 as a product. Yes. Next, 110 is multiplied by 5. First, 5 into 0 equal to 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. So, we are getting 550 as the product when multiplying 110 by 5. Okay, children? So, whenever you are doing multiplication, do it from the one side. Okay. Yes, good. Next, multiplying with regrouping. Multiply 236 by 4. Step 1. Multiply 6 ones by 4. That is 4 into 6 ones equal to 24 ones. So regroup first. 24 ones equal to 2 tens plus 4 ones. So write 4 in the ones column and carry the 2 in the tens column. Next, step 2. Multiply 3 tens by 4. So 4 into 3 tens equal to 12 tens. Then add the carried over 2 with the 12. So 2 tens plus 12 tens equal to 14 tens. Next, regroup. 14 tens equal to 100 plus 4 tens. So write 4 in the tens column and carry that 1 to the hundreds column. Yes. Next, step 3. Multiply 200s by 4. So 4 into 200s equal to 800s. Add the carried over 1 with this 8. So 100s plus 800s equal to 900s. Then write 9 in the hundreds column. So when 236 is multiplied by 4, we will get 944 as the product. Okay, children, got it? Yes. In this way, we are multiplying. Yes. So, multiply 348 by 7. When 7 is multiplied by 8, we will get 56. So, write 6 in ones column and carry 5 in tens. Next, 7 into 4 equal to 28. Then add this 28 with 5, we will get 33. So write 3 in tens column and carry 3 in hundreds. Next, 7 is multiplied by 3 gives 21. Next, 21 is added with 3, we are getting 24. So when 348 is multiplied by 7, we are getting 2436 as the product. Next, 520 is multiplied by 8. Yes, first 8 zeros are 0. Next, 8 twos are 16. So write 6 in tens column and carry 1 in hundreds. Next, 5 eights are 40. Add this 40 with 1 gives 41. So when 520 is multiplied by 8, we are getting 4160 as the product. Yes. Next, properties of multiplication. When we multiply the two numbers in any order, the product remains the same. For example, 6 into 5 equal to 30 and 5 into 6 is also equal to 30. So when we multiply two numbers in any order, we are getting the same product. Next, the product of a number and 0 is 0. 7 zeros are 0. 0 zeros are 0. 893 into zeros are 0. 0 fours are 0. So the product of a number and a 0 is 0. Next property. The product of a number and 1 is the number itself. For example, 4 ones are 4. 1 fives are 5. 123 into 1 equal to 123. 4268 into 1 equal to 4268. Next, when we multiply three numbers, we can group them in any order. The product is always the same. For example, 4 into 5 into 3 equal to 20 into 3, which is equal to 60. Similarly, 4 into 3 into 5 equal to 12 into 5 equal to 60. So when we multiply the three numbers, we can group them in any order. The product is always the same, and the product of a number and 1 is the number itself. Okay, children, learn the properties of multiplication thoroughly. It is very important. Yes. Next, multiplying by tens, hundreds and thousands. To multiply a number by 10, put a 0 to the right of the number. For example, 9 into 10 gives 90. 15 into 10 equal to 150. 348 into 10 equal to 3480. Next, to multiply a number by 100, put two zeros to the right of the number. For example, 9 into 100 equal to 900. 15 into 100 equal to 1500. 348 into 100 equal to 34,800. Next, to multiply a number by 1000, put three zeros to the right of the number. For example, 9 into 1000 equal to 9000. 15 into 1000 equal to 15,000. 348 into 1000 equal to 3,48,000. In this way, you are multiplying a number with tens or hundreds or thousands. Got it, children? This is very easy, isn't it so? Yes, we have to understand the concept, then it will be easy for you to do. Yes, so children, learn the tables thoroughly. Then and there I am telling this. Yes. Next, multiplying by tens. 7 into 30 can be written as 7 into 3 tens, which is equal to 21 tens, which is equal to 210. So, to multiply a number by 10, 20, 30 up to 90, first you have to multiply the number by 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Then put a 0 to the right of the product. For example, when we are multiplying 9 by 80, first you are multiplying the number 9 by 8, which gives 72. Then put a 0 to the right of the 72, that is we will get 720. Yes. Next, 16 is multiplied by 30 gives 480. Next, 325 is multiplied by 20 gives 6500 as the product. Next, multiplying by hundreds. 8 into 300 can be written as 8 into 300s, which is equal to 2400s, equal to 2400. So, to multiply a number by 100, 200, 300 up to 900, first you have to multiply it by 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Next, put two zeros to the right of the product. For example, 9 into 700 equal to 6300. 16 into 300 equal to 4800. 325 into 200 equal to 65,000. In this way, you have to multiply the given number by tens and hundreds. Got it, children? Yes. This method is also so easy, no? Yes. Good. Next, multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number without regrouping. For example, multiply 24 by 12. We know that 12 is 110 and 2 ones. Yes. Step 1. Multiply 24 by 2 ones. That is 24 into 2 ones equal to 48 ones, equal to 48. Yes. Next, multiply 24 by 110. That is 24 into 110 equal to 24 tens, equal to 240. Yes. Next, add the products 240 plus 48, which gives 288. So when 24 is multiplied by 12, we are getting 288 as the product. Okay, children, first you have to multiply, then you have to add. Okay, then finally we are getting the answer. Yes. Next, multiply 32 by 10. When 32 is multiplied by 10, we will get 320 as the product. Next, multiply 33 by 12. When 33 is multiplied by 12, we will get 396 as the product. So children, learn the tables thoroughly. Daily learn to do tables and write. Okay. Yes. When you learn the tables, it is easy to do the multiplication problem. Next, with regrouping, multiply 24 by 18. Step 1. Multiply 24 by 8 once. That is 24 into 8 once equal to 192 once equal to 192. Next step, multiply 24 by 1 tenths. So 24 into 1 tenths equal to 24 tenths. That is 240. Step 3. Add the products. That is 240 is added with 192. We will get 432 as the product. So when 24 is multiplied by 18, we will get 432 as the product. Yes, this is multiplying the 2-digit with 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Yes. Next, multiply 45 by 28. When 44 is multiplied with 28, we will get 1260 as the answer. Next, when 37 is multiplied by 24, we will get 888 as the product. In this way, we are multiplying the 2-digit numbers with the 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay. Yes. Next, multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. For example, 218 is multiplied by 45. So first multiply 218 by 5 once. So 218 into 5 once equal to 1090 once, which is equal to 1090. Next, multiply 218 by 4 tenths. So 218 into 4 tenths equal to 872 tenths. That is equal to 8720. Next, add the products 1090 plus 8720, which is equal to 9810. So when we are multiplying 218 by 45, we are getting 9810 as the product. In this way, a 3-digit number is multiplied by a 2-digit number. Okay children, have you understood clearly? Yes. So again and again I am telling, learn the tables properly. Daily you must learn the table, then only you will able to do the multiplication sum without any error. Okay children? Yes. Next, multiply 317 by 25. So when 317 is multiplied by 25, we will get 7925 as the product. Yes. Next, multiply 290 by 32. When 290 is multiplied by 32, we will get 9280 as the answer. Okay, the same principle is applied in all the sums, so you have to understand the concept how they are multiplied, and then first learn the tables, then understand the concept, then do the sum without any error. Whatever may be the digits, you cannot bother about that. You just learn the tables and do the sums without any mistakes. Okay children? Yes. Next, story sum. A railway coach has seats for 73 passengers. How many seats would such 16 coaches have? In a railway coach, there are 73 seats. We are going to calculate for 16 such coaches. Okay, so that first we have to write the steps. Number of passengers in one coach equal to 73. Therefore, the number of passengers in 16 coaches equal to 73 into 16. So when 73 is multiplied by 16, we will get 1168 as the product. So there are 1168 seats are present in 16 coaches. So in one coach there are 73 seats, and in 16 coaches there are 1168 seats are present. Here they are giving for one coach, and we are calculated for 16 coaches. That is, definitely this is multiplication. Okay children? Yes. Next, there are 478 mangoes in a basket. How many mangoes are there in 37 baskets? Yes, number of mangoes in one basket equal to 478. So we are going to calculate the mangoes in 35 baskets. So the number of mangoes in 35 baskets equal to 35 into 478. So when 478 is multiplied by 35, we are getting 16,730 as the product. So there are 16,730 mangoes are there in 35 baskets. For one basket there are 478 mangoes. So in 35 baskets there are 16,730 mangoes. Here they are giving the value of for one thing and asking for many. This is the multiplication problem, definitely, because the value of one thing is given and they are asking for many. Absolutely, it is multiplication. Yes. Children, till now we have learned about the multiplication of one digit number with one digit number, two digit numbers with two digit number multiplication, and multiplication of three digit numbers with two digit numbers, properties of multiplication, and then story sums, and the multiplication by tens, hundreds, and thousands. So children, learn the tables thoroughly. Okay, you have to learn 2 to 10 thoroughly. Daily learn 2 to tables. Okay, yes. Do the activity based on the multiplication of two digit number with another two digit number. Yes. Children, do the multiplication for the multiplication of 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Before doing your activity, learn the tables thoroughly. Yes. Children, I hope you understood the concepts clearly. Go through the videos and learn the tables and do the problems without errors. I will catch you in the next session. Thank you, children. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Be safe. Yes.